Welcome to Secret Entertainment Scientific Extreme channel. Today we are going to explore the manufacturing process of wire cut bricks through a mechanized brick plant. Before we go into the video, please subscribe this channel and press bell button to get notifications of upcoming videos. Now we go into the video. Raw materials. The journey of wire cut brick manufacturing begins with the selection of high quality raw materials. These include clay, sand, and water. Clay, rich in silicates, provides plasticity and binding properties. Sand adds strength and durability, while water helps to mix and mold the mixture. Raw materials are sourced from quarries, mines, or rivers and transported to the mechanized brick plant. Crushing and pulverizing. The raw materials are crushed and pulverized into finer particles using jaw crushers, cone crushers, and pulverizers. This process ensures uniform size and texture essential for producing high quality bricks. Material analysis and mixing. The crushed materials are analyzed for chemical composition and moisture content using advanced spectrometers. The perfect ratio of clay, sand, and water is calculated, and the ingredients are mixed together in a massive paddle mixer or pan mixer. The mixture is blended until it reaches the ideal consistency. De-airing and compacting. The mixture is then fed into a de-airing machine which removes air pockets and ensures density. Next, the mixture is compacted using hydraulic presses, eliminating excess moisture. Extrusion. The compacted mix is forced through an extruder, a machine resembling a giant pipe. The extruder die shapes the mixture into a long rectangular column. Wire cutting. The extruded column is then cut into individual bricks using automatic wire cutters. The wire cutters move precisely, ensuring uniform brick size and shape. Shaping and finishing. The cut bricks are then passed through a shaping machine which smooths the edges and adds a finishing touch. Any excess material is removed and the bricks are inspected for quality. Drying. The shaped bricks are sent to a drying area where they sit under controlled temperature and humidity conditions. This process removes excess moisture, preventing cracking during firing. First drying, green drying. Bricks are dried for 24 to 48 hours to remove excess moisture. Second drying, pre-firing drying. Bricks are dried again for 24 to 48 hours to achieve optimal moisture levels. Firing. The dried bricks are fired in tunnel kilns or chamber kilns at high temperature 1000 degrees C to 1300 degrees C for 12 to 24 hours. This process achieves durability and strength. sorting, and packaging. Finished products are sorted and packaged using automated systems. Quality control. Bricks undergo rigorous inspection for size, shape, color, and strength. Defective bricks are removed using automated sorting systems. Storage and distribution. Finished bricks are stored in warehouses with the inventory management systems and transported to construction sites via trucks, rail, or intermodal containers. Finished products. The final product is a high quality wire cut brick, uniform in size and shape, with excellent strength and durability. These bricks are ready for use in construction projects, including buildings, roads, and bridges. Thank you for seeing this video. Please subscribe this channel and press bell button to get notifications of upcoming videos. Thank you.